Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, the terms photosynthesis was coined by the Charles Reid Barnes in 1893. 1893. Okay. In this process, plant take in carbon dioxide gas, which is taken in from the atmosphere, and the water, that is H2O, from the soil, and this water then react with carbon dioxide to form sugar. In the presence of light and chlorophyll, it produces sugar and oxygen. The sugar so produced is stored in the form of starch in various parts of the plant, and oxygen. The reaction that take place during photosynthesis can be written as just like this: CO2 plus water in the presence of light and chlorophyll. These are the necessary things. It forms sugar and oxygen. Okay. The process of using the energy of light to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen is called photosynthesis. And what are the conditions necessary for photosynthesis? Are the general conditions which are necessary for photosynthesis are first one is the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is necessary. And second one is the presence of light. The photosynthesis take place only during daytime, that's why sunlight is necessary. And the third one is the availability of carbon dioxide. It will require during photosynthesis, we will require carbon dioxide. And the fourth one is the availability of water. And the first, here the some terms just like chlorophyll, which you have to understand. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is present in the leaves. Chlorophyll is present inside a leaf. If you see the cross section of a leaf, this is the cross section of a leaf in which there is chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast there is a structure, green pigment, which is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in the chloroplast. And light you see as you gain it from sun. Light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll. Okay. Next is the activity which will show that light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay. And what are the materials needed for this are green plant, black paper, scissors, clip. And what are the various methods and how to perform it, what is the procedure? In the first point is, first of all, you have to place the plant in a dark corner for 3 days. You have to place the plant in dark corner for 3 days, and then pluck a leaf. Then you have to pluck a leaf from the plant and test it for the starch by iodine solution. Here it is the iodine solution which is blue in color. Okay. And confirm whether it is fully starch free or not. If it is starch free, then it will change into blue black color. And if it is do not contain starch, then it will change into no color. Okay. Then third point, cover a part of leaf using a strip of black paper in just like diagram. Now place the plant in sunlight for at least 6 hours. Now next and the last point is, pluck the leaf covered with the strip of black paper, remove the strip and test the leaf for starch. And what we have to observe in this activity is the portion of the leaf that was covered shows no change when iodine solution is added. When there is no change when you add iodine solution to it, there is no change, means there is no formation of starch here, means no formation of starch, since that portion was covered with the black paper. And so since there was no light, no photosynthesis, which confirms it from this part. Okay. Conclusion: as there was no starch formation in the covered part, it did not turn blue black. This shows that light is necessary for photosynthesis. ठीक है. Next Next is the carbon dioxide. It is obtained from the atmosphere. In atmosphere, carbon dioxide is present in 0.03 percentage through small openings called stomata. Stomata are the small openings. These are the tiny pores. Tiny pores. Pores means holes present in the on the stomata or the surface of leaves. Take underside of the leaves. These are the stomata. This is the closed stomata and this is the open stomata. Here are the these are the two guard cells. These are the guard cells which swell up under the suitable light conditions, suitable light and water. These guard cells swell up and the stomata becomes open, and through which a gaseous exchange take place. At the time of photosynthesis, oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide goes out. Okay.